Here's the town centre in a bit more detail. Shops at the back. The park, still not finished that. There's a few more railings and put round. Market stalls, they want filling up a little bit. The school's done. The kids' spell's just gone, they're bring home. Main entrance to Malthouse Museum. Then you've got the second station, the train home. And the allotment. So there you have it. That's Malthouse. One little bit left. Flick of a switch. And we've got train stuck. Flick of another switch. Off she goes. Use the hand of God. Must be some muck on the rail there. I'll fix that. It's just nice to see it working over the viaduct. So there you have it. Malthouse Passage. Virtually finished. Until I find something else to put on it. See you later. Bye.